Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Design Ideas, a channel I created for encouragement, inspiration, and also to help keep your mind busy in a beautiful and creative way by showing you amazing crochet items and ideas. Today's video is all about the most beautiful and trending crochet handmade doll ideas for your inspiration. Whether you are a beginner or an expert in crochet, these doll ideas will spark your creativity and motivate you to create something truly special. Crochet dolls are more than just handmade items. They are full of love, patience, and personality. Every stitch tells a story, and every doll becomes a unique piece of art. Let's begin. Imagine creating a soft, adorable baby doll with tiny details, from the eyes, the hair, to the little outfit. These dolls are perfect as gifts for children, baby showers, or even as home decor. One of the trending ideas right now is mini crochet dolls. These are small, cute, and easy to carry. You can use them as keychains, gifts, or even decorations. Their simplicity makes them perfect for beginners. Another beautiful trend is realistic crochet dolls. These dolls are designed with detailed facial expressions, styled hair, and fashionable outfits. They look almost like real people and can be customized to match different personalities or cultures. We also have crochet princess dolls, dressed in elegant gowns, crowns, and beautiful colors. These are especially loved by children and make magical gifts that bring joy and imagination. For those who love culture and diversity, traditional outfit crochet dolls are a wonderful idea. You can design dolls wearing African prints, cultural dresses, or even modern fashion styles. This allows you to express identity and creativity at the same time. Another trending idea is Amigurumi dolls. These are soft, stuffed crochet dolls with a cute and playful look. They are very popular because of their round shapes and adorable designs, perfect for both kids and collectors. You can also explore family crochet dolls, creating a mother, father, and children's set. These are beautiful for storytelling, decoration, or even as personalized gifts. And let's not forget about fashion dolls, where you can design different outfits, mix colors, and even change styles. This is perfect if you enjoy experimenting with patterns and textures. Crochet dolls also have a calming effect. The process of creating them helps reduce stress, improve focus, and bring peace to your mind. It's not just about the final product, it's about the journey of creating something with your own hands. If you are just starting, don't worry. Begin with simple patterns, practice your stitches, and slowly build your skills. With time, you will be able to create more detailed and beautiful dolls. Remember, perfection is not the goal. Creativity and joy are what truly matter. You can also turn your crochet doll hobby into a small business. Many people love handmade items because they are unique and meaningful. With consistency and passion, you can grow your talent into something profitable. As you explore these ideas, feel free to add your own touch. Change colors, try new styles, and make each doll your own masterpiece. Thank you so much for watching and being part of this creative journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful crochet ideas and inspiration. Stay creative, stay inspired, and keep your hands busy with something beautiful. See you in the next video.